In this video, we'll see how you can use commands on Enjo to create tickets. We will proceed to the Automation Tools section, and from there, we will access the Commands tab. Here we can see there are a couple of default commands that are provided by Enjo. We can click on Create Command at the top right-hand side to create a new command. We'll have to select the Slack workspace, where we want the Enjo commands to be implemented. I will choose my Slack workspace, and then you need to enter the keyword. Essentially, this word will activate the command to generate a ticket. I'll use ticket as the keyword. Additionally, it is necessary to outline the intended purpose for employing this command. Now we have to select our ticketing app. So in this case, it will be my Jira instance. Furthermore, it's necessary to select a project for the creation of this ticket. I will choose ITOE as the intended project and set the issue type to bug. If there are any fields you wish to update when this command is executed, you can do so by clicking on Update Fields. You have the option to select any field you wish to update. For instance, I will choose to set the urgency field to critical. I will proceed to click on Update Fields. Essentially, whenever we execute the / command, a ticket will be created, and the specified field will be updated accordingly. We can choose to reply in channel and click on Create Command. The command has been created successfully now. And we'll test it on the Slack channel. We are now going to test the command we created in our Slack workspace by typing in Enjo, our keyword ticket, and then the summary of the ticket. Once the command is executed, you will notice that a ticket has been generated within the appropriate project. Additionally, we will observe that the urgency field has also been updated to critical. This is how you can create tickets using the / command and updating the necessary fields. Thank you.